Click the Exhibit button. You are exporting the timeline using the Adobe Media Encoder as shown in the exhibit. What effect will happen if you decrease the quality from to half? Image. Option A. Increase the quality of the exported file. Option B. Reduce the interlacing of the exported file. Option C. Reduce the time it takes to encode the file. Option D. Increase the time it takes to encode the file. The correct answer is option C. You want to export your sequence with an alpha channel for later import into an NTSC project. Which compression method should you choose in the Export Movie Settings dialog box? Option A. Microsoft DV. Option B. QuickTime Cinepak. Option C. QuickTime Sorensen. Option D. Uncompressed Microsoft AVI with millions of colors plus. The correct answer is option D. Click the Exhibit button. You are exporting the timeline using the Adobe Media Encoder as shown in the exhibit. What effect will decreasing the bitrate from to have? Image. Option A. Reduce the file size of the exported file. Option B. Reduce the frame rate of the exported file. Option C. Reduce the frame size of the exported file. Option D. Reduce the number of fields in the exported file. The correct answer is option A. You are working with a sequence that will be exported to a movie for streaming web playback. Which three encoding formats should you choose? Choose 3. Option A. MPEG 2. Option B. MPEG 1. Option C. Real Media. Option D. QuickTime. Option E. Microsoft DV. Option F. Windows Media. The correct answer is option C, D, F.